So when the initiative came up, Mark Solomon spoke to me at one of the iwi leadership hui and asked if we would be interested in joining Ngāi Tahu to put in a bid for the Whānau Ora Commissioning funds.
The people like Molly and the leaders at the time had a real idea what they wanted.
So from there, we had one meeting, and then it was decided we should go back and talk to our other iwi to join forces with us. And yeah, slowly that happened.
That in myself was a big thing too. The first time that all the iwi of Te Waipounamu came together.
We were up in Wellington, ready to sign.
And I suppose, being honest, the one that actually got it over the table was Taku Parai.
Thank goodness Taku turned up at the table.
Taku just stands up and says, "Where's that paper? Pass it here." Signed it, and we all signed it. But it was Taku that actually got it over the line.
We went from a model that was on paper supported by our people, and our role as Te Pūtahitanga was to action that and make that happen. Making bold steps, being brave, moving amongst our people, and you could say sharing the love, but sharing the kaupapa of what does it mean to take a whānau-centred approach to supporting our whānau, to thrive, to grow, and to be Māori.
I think Whānau Ora to me is being authentic, being well connected, and all of those kind of things that we're, us as a people, us as Māori, had before we had all these other expectations put upon us from society. So it's like taking it back to the rawness of who we are. But I believe that Whānau Ora, it can exist in all of us.
The unique thing about Whānau Ora, and in any kaupapa Māori, can I just say, is that it's not just for Māori. It's for anyone who has a dream, who has an aspiration, and who just needs a little bit of support to realise their dreams and aspirations. What is it Whānau Ora can do to support them to realise those dreams?
And thinking about particularly the space arama in Waikawa, I look at so many good things that come from Te Pūtahitanga, and I think what Te Pūtahitanga has done is put that foundation back in front of us.
There's two things I love. I love that it is truly mana motuhake o whānau. I love that. Community development, hapū development, whānau development, that's our mana motuhake kaupapa. The other thing I love is that the iwi own this.
I just believe that if you're doing what you're meant to be doing for your people, I believe we'll always be supported. And I think that's what the unique thing is with Te Pūtahitanga. They see something, they see it working, and they get alongside you and support you.
It's really hit its stride. We've built so much capability and capacity up across the region, across Te Waipounamu, which is a huge celebration. There are some amazing markers that you can pinpoint that are the foundations for those came out of Te Pūtahitanga.
I had the best job in the world, like I'd always say that, to be able to go into a whānau whare that you've been invited into and listen to their dreams and aspirations, and then to go back and say congratulations, we're investing in what your aspiration is, and then seeing them flourish like that.
But also just the pride that it has created in Māori here in Westport, to be able to walk in Te Ao Māori and to have that sense of pride and understanding. That's just building this beautiful momentum.
Because this region is so small with Māori population, we actually know nearly everybody. So we can see those whānau who are excelling in their lives when we know that they've had support from Te Pūtahitanga.
Oh, I think the wider Whānau Ora network is awesome. Such a cool crew. Have loved working with you guys. We just need to keep it going. Need to keep Whānau Ora alive. Yeah, that's really important for our whānau.
What a milestone. I hope we're here for another 25 years.
Happy 10th birthday to everybody involved with Te Pūtahitanga.
Thank you for all your mahi that you do behind the scenes.
A huge happy 10th birthday to everybody that is connected in some way with Te Pūtahitanga or Te Waipounamu.
We're intergenerational people, we can't stop now. So happy birthday to Pūtahitanga, 10 years old, let's do it again.
I'm a bit of an optimist, so when I hear someone say Whānau Ora for Te Waipounamu, I go, wow, yeah, we can do this. Because I think there is a lot of magic in Te Waipounamu.
I can't say how much I appreciate what Pūtahitanga has done for the people. They say that there's always risk.
We took risks after risks, but our risk was always grounded in the very firm belief that whānau are the best architects of their own solutions, that they are the champions, the cheerleaders, the ambassadors of change, that create all of the solutions we could ever dream of.
Just acknowledging the journey that has been Te Pūtahitanga Te Waipounamu, and while we may celebrate 10 years, actually we can't do this without all of those whānau who have reached out to us, or we have reached out through our partner network, just acknowledging all of you and the amazing work that you do in your own communities. So kia ora.